tie menim sanya metie enti no meba no meboa me ho mo asew aduro ni nie Dawood heba misa aduro wi me yire dom sima
As a corner for one of my G-Weddy. Dawood heba misa dia ma me di hye ya kire se okwa obetima ahwe ne so yie. Bra bema. Me de chew. Dawood heba misa. Sahwini na duro ni ni.
Yankra toyi FD agiatu.
Adi. Oi.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could debrail. Who said that will complain with Sissini Koowaa. Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who drank a sepan and neck. You could debrail. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. A yoko ni Sicilia drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Rotsnasi. Number 7.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brani. Na yeme.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wasese me brabo buye.
Sudi, me bi komo me mami adwoamwa.
Hey! What dance ye aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwajudi.
What kaki ya
Edusa pray. Obie timinumbi. I just append for. One woman for down for. Any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ahwehwe saa adwade nkrato yi mu. Agye atum se eye.
Ye wo D4 ene ye wo D4. O D4 na ye bo awiemfo ba da wote se wo falumba metabo ni din no. Ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na num asem sima pe na wo hunu se wo pe ba bi pa wo pe D4 bi do ho akobata no a ye wo D4 mu ahodo. Minimo ha wo kure ha wo hwe abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha wo be hunu ni nyina moborofo oni bie papa na basa so na ene gi se me wo mu se wo yale na ba na kache ha ono ama ba bia wo beda na wama waduane adi kosi se wo benya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepe bia kompai body a e jape kurum ene e wo se woko adiji se be wo mu se bosumi bia wo ye all 91 ti bia wo hye bia wetima prepare na wa baby bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu na wo ye no 9 fa number na egu afidie ne so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo sa wo te na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko hwe ne mra
your family na ye bo akofo awiemfo ba me wo jape kuru adom no nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nche kwa me de medwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofodie nyina me se me hwe nyanka nwisia mobro wafo oni ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame asem na wo nom na wuti na wo me wo ba ni nya gidie se Obano anase wankasa mu problem na be dey e be sofo gidie ni mu a unso kristo nya twase obi o dey ko wo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me no sisi a wo hwe me no wo na me no wo ka sa asem no bra anyi achinyi difo ho ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba e be pie me so no ye ka che wo be yo ho na be ju
Alishama ene efiada ye be da obo ade na se so odi ache me no mienu na moja edi efusane ewo yimu yatina se eko adwumede ene de bro efisa breya ekosi se na wotwe empemo ebebo as usual you stream live on Facebook Kumawood TV you stream live on YouTube Kumawood TV whilst you're watching us you share for others to be part of the program. Today is a Friday, so definitely we're going to speak English. So I am starting my English right away. So Ujam will speak English today. Wofa will also speak English today. So share for others to be part of the program. Trust me, latter part of the show, we're going to open the telephone lines for you to be part of the program. You call in and then contribute. There is a WhatsApp line on the screen. You pick it up and then you send us all your messages, and then I'm going to read all of them for you. As the PC and Koma CJ Fashions, Kumasia Mekum, our Jebre, Eshama Tadi, and then Washame Jarabia, and Adaroma also open say, we should be a go there, obey designer, Ediama, or come as someone say, all local fabric clothing, obey any pepe, amount why on customize or obey customize, design be a man and mema and crying, go to CJ Fashion. Kumasiamekum na onsisio. The number is 0268505021. O friend now. Obema say obema ho IFFF. Udu amekuma Sweet FM ne Ash FM Junction ho and the billboard no it's directly opposite or Danny Sports. Lenstrap and na Vanyo Pub. And tiko anopeya na onyo very good. Edusan Herbal Center for one of the Edusan Herbal Capsules Sabe Jaman, so we have been asked on normal about the gonorrhea, syphilis, candida infections, BBR, a baby on a bed, every nipedium. Sanso and America was one of my channel, so unique to the extent to say, and so Numbia, a banner say Coco etito. I tried to say, I did be a how no. But cheat no drew a year at Edusan Herbal Center, one of my was so I may come and say Macro. Golf filling station, and I want to put Ediwon Juma and see offer one of numbers na etwa de ncheche e wo screen asia na woni wonom atwetwe nkomo emwa biara open wonom ede beboa amwa koma ato yim odi for na ye boan so e wo jape krom papa se bre na odi hye bi asebi oye no ma basa basa me ka sensi so ni yen so wutimu se enoma oye no nyesa e na otia o gidi se bibi atochma e wa dwene mu kakra fa ne ko jape krom Fakwadan a odifo na yeboa na onfa no bina hahamai enu dunsin enfa ensadia de sanse adoma chede no totobo so kwa media channel enti okopie mu honko ade a wonsan fa ya de emmefi de biara wo Yesu Kristo de mu numbers no etwegu fede e wo screen asia na mabo modern na wafa wa frɛ no na papa twetwe nkomo ansa na obedru ho kra no na wadru no wa ye ne kra do e wa ha bi ho o de kan wa eno ano straight away. Let's just say when you are Yarisa, Umpewi, Johin, and our pay. Your first debut, so Emma, Dr. Dawood, or the Dawood ointments, or Jabajamans. Dawood Mr. Okrom. Now, Mr. No, a dribia amount for just the Exo Gusaka Sakasa, one enum. Now, Madame for BC, eh, Dr. Dawood, a dreid is a minibia. Na me ho eki kame akojame na me nto bi me si na dia asem oso esa ofia na bibi ye ma no pa bi am hwe bi gumanu mu a na che se maboma me srew se malaria fever enetisi wa ma wonsanka bi obofuno osi papa awodo basa eya waye mre obi se mreyo odi ane so be ma wonsaka Dawood eba mesha na wabono gona and that is all. You're free to go. Fifi beto Johnson beto o Johnson no na malaria ni na efiri ni pedien mu obi o ho so awoti mu se oyo ba nuanu ma ne tisiro ma me kansi so o se ogu ne nsa emeyi fichikone ni aye brown asituntum o ho ne faraban nom e Dawood eba mesha e very quality system na ma fichikone ni be ko fefefe na wankasa wodi ensembo a emu oden ebe ma papa isanse na edru no nyame ehira so o wo sashi asare no so o se wont me ma freno but if you have some papa sanso and ointment no fachi keke en wano no waposo ya o chika say o don't pay a himfa o de fachi ade be chino adwuma bia wo ye no obetiesi na wakwakoye no ahom kamole na wonso nya kakra be fi na fie so se nya bi apoje numbers ni twegu me so pawati na free doctor na wona no entwetwe enkomo na no pay Bushman International due to baby our Bushman and so our agri junction 7 period say akoso betin fi pa na on TV ke na o TV shop wa de bi no say tebi kakaka so no so pa so o call agri junction be our panel or the ranging from all sizes all inches or sa ever when me abofa one asoma sama pay e ma me di April na answer no my adorable satsase nti mama wono mache ene ujambema bandana eboniti echense okuchi soruku se brofo no ho bandana se brofo no ho duku se die na atu na watama ye e ma duku se Gucci Bellino odi aboniti abeji na edwa yenkoma na kwaba na feel no ye fe mediro yes Jesus bandana akwaba akwaba
ashase bia wo fa
akwaba akwaba
wonderful
akwaba
yes sister
and what to say na Gucci ni free him why do
na ene ye da awlehoaba
free
say don awasum Ghana sumpa
oh
ti na se me bo wi na afi so me ma me so ene no da me de ka no isi mi swa no ya no de mi sine ni ma no bom duku ti ene se ene ya na se me chane se
da mi no fo wi
kukuda
wonu ti na ne waji
ne ma bo duku
efata me nka ba oba nke yi nka ho be fe baba
nko me fam do me baba me boba me de wo se me pa na ma preso diga me boba
yeso pa na ma preso
wo se me pa na
ambu cheche ambu suti
me de ka ben sem kura
me
de ka ben sem
eni su kura be 1000
se sa de tie
ba so
na me so de makwa ti mfa makwa
so de makwa
diga me makwa
mo ni na ho
wale makwa ade so de ko sai enti be ba obi so be pone kakra
enti wo be share
ke me share
so that others will be passed
oh ke me share ba me fa ma ka me fa ma jimi fon kanya.
Do you not say it's an English there?
Oh, yeah, no problem.
You have no problem.
Yeah,
so you're ever ready to speak the English?
Okay, so
you're ready?
Oh, I'm going.
You're ready?
Yes.
You speak it?
Problem.
I say, will you speak it?
Yeah, I'm not speaking.
You will speak it?
Yeah.
Nice one. Nice one. Obama.
Ade den so ache se be panyini ba gwa ti mawu aye be na yie de na de aseda be ma urade che eja
when him say papa no e wo subi wo no ho na very nice pa
o kum panyi ko kakra o se
o kum panyi bo ga ba no wo subi wo no ho say John or you very sweet yeah when they say so ka say aden
any say from nina nshia
oh nshia about 2 occasions na Mayor Juma will take FM and I think during the election petition time and Militia say John and trust me oh so adorable wow I can say obi wu a you can chase him but no we dey need the area papa where you be a obedi di ama obedi
okay tango phone me na no na ya
we la ho
eno dey for any say na ja
papa go school account
oh yeah, young lady, young guy, no need you. What him say? When it comes to the media, Papa no man crofobia over 200 plus.
Wow.
Oh yes.
When you nipa.
Oh yes.
And what may you do?
I can even mention it like a mama who could down for or mom gyre. Now Oma womo abanye juma. When you go to forestry department, we have a lot of young ladies that papa and papa so. Or say, "Ako na present na payments papa. Me teacher ni so me teacher juma no. Sabe juma dey yo. We are ready friend. And trust me, one more we are ready. One more friend papa na like you know. Wow. Now and name him say who say. And I'm going to swan. Nam children here who say, Mabunu is swan. Nature says, Sababunu be a woos to be ano. A faswa, Sebi. We now papa no. Say John and funny cry. Papa, Yamin funny cry in sea. And you bow it day up. What are the uncle because it be? Wow. Oh, yes. Wow.
We don't know what to find.
Are you crowing? You couldn't walk. What you pan up to see school? Oh, Daniel is a book really did be out do Beduma. Sabum Kumso. Oh, money on my fire honor. Oh, then the problem is in running in a quick and the whole sir, but about when people find mistakes. A pine woman. I mean, pictures. A pine woman. Oh, I never bought no more. So the papa is ever some pa, some pa. The crew for boys in now. odumo apeduma mo mai tu na ka
ni papa
hospital na ka
dan na da bia ye kan no obeye yi ni nyina beja ho akọ nti se wa anwe no so nkwaje ho na dam bia se obegun wa ma party ya na implications e wo ho
First story, Embro. Now, share for others to be part of the program. Like I told you earlier on, we're streaming live on Facebook, Kumawood TV. We're streaming live on YouTube, Kumawood TV. You drop your WhatsApp messages. I'm going to read them for you. And I was accused that I don't read most of the messages, but I try my best to read them. Ayana, atela, do supu, mudu supu. Ayana, edosom. And so ubia man can count message. What that woman said and saying, I have a chairman, I am not a dawson. Nancy son, me bomb what they say me be brave if you at the mom. It's me so. If you don't hear your message, forgive me. Definitely, I'll read them for you. My first story, and I'll pay me the Ebro and it's also for come church. Yeah, ding now, pastor, prophet. We now, or the ability to just say, the president of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency. Nana down kwa kufuado ya chino is a case chin bia ase ubia ye de senkonso egunensa na ya tumu credu ya chino spiritually. Really? Like seriously? Yes, video in the Ambra. Stay with us, Uncle.
That you feel the miss of Kumjaja make us soon as say, on some can once a more. Emma said, Tam could be said, no Mahama, sorry, President Mahama, and not former President Mahama, and Takunaso, if you say, no, Babanet, Fifi, check my man Casamanchalo. The same thing, and as I say, Ecoso says, Doom shop, Doom and Kola, and when I in Tubulum.
Yes, service machine, so no.
Mas na Mahama town no who do you have? Oh, there be all, yeah, Massa. Yawania maybe or what? Yawania maybe or what? Massa, we are no quaffwa, Fifi, so we are no quaffwa padia, Miss of Kumchacha, and Casare. Abembiaba, not by any better Kunyaswa. Near Obey, a young cat. The anya na ka mama ka wanya sa na bi ya minu ya bebe ma wa bebe nana do awa ye Ghana president o hwe ni video bi a onse nana do kan bi say yet iskaso enso akomode me de Ghana ha president fo aba nyina no miss of kum chacha de na yenim na ye wura hye ne mu a obabbo adwuma a wo be ye adwuma ma Ghana youth, any young guests, any will be any of your part, and another danko kufuado. By Fifi, as someone making your own tea in a year, so we are broke and swat, and from an easy one in the moment here, the American may canning say President and another danko kufuado, and Crawford Chichelemo. O my soon. O my Chichelemo. Ya Chichelemo, I was soon. O my soon. Oma chechire no ya chechire no e wo sunsun Fifi me sofu kum chacha me gina ofidie we so aka me se hwe aduma any vision any ensuade hu any the president na na Kufuado apese wo ye e de magana no enye nu na ye hu me se enkrofo achechire na nado e wo spiritual.
Hey, young for Beno.
And it's Sunday night. Ah, Fifi.
Oh, yeah, Mitchell. And the young captains here. Okay, what's your powerful?
Sanino.
Eddie.
Obi, I say, Bayi, yet if you more. A example.
My captain, smart example.
That be.
That use a captain.
Oh, that one now facing me. One now facing me. Bayi, yet if you more. That's a Fifi a man on Quanya. Make to me one pie my baby into me two pomawa or a back of our idea. It's a myth or something. I dear back one make I won't feed you with swat. Me person, Mania software. Mania software. What's the Dimia? Ghana, Mania software. Metaya, Mahun way. And I myself come say in Mahun Fifi, Mementasa. By the American say. Ya papa na nado dankwa ekufuado ejuma a na esi na ni so se obeye vision a na ekuta no ade de na opeso wo ye Ghana ade de na opeso wo de Ghana kodu no enye ne sa ade nti so a me ka to se enye ne sa ne se me se spiritual o ma chichele papa no awu sunsun
eti sisi ana wo
Prophet Kumchasha ena yete ne nka no spiritually o say ya chichire a president akufad over
me bom nsamba Kumchacha no pe abo adwuma na ne ntia me so abo adwuma yenyine nim Kumchacha se onye awurade se na awurade se ono aketi ne komadi no obeka wakako owi asofo so ndin so na ti se di osidi nkoni ama na ya me den se onga se awurade se spiritually ya chichire no ani o kan se wo hwe aniso ade hunu na ekura mampanyini na hwe enne se di osi ya ne niam afa spiritually ya chichire no eno no de wo ani na se nyame mie wani kura na ukura adwena wote toto ne ma hu se sa na tie because ye mampanyini ye campaign yetie nsem wo kan ye na wokọ na bakose mu tam o ye yan kakra no ade bi se wo mani mu asade wosi sore eboa mema no atwi momomati asade no na wo hwe aniade ekura no wo start foforo mpo ye to abama no first kan yie mu kan of us stop galamse kan of us ma ne ma bi be wura free education na no ode oti kreti ye se ye ho aso se ye ho nso ye nko ye betumi ani ade no tumi se na nko kura good vision it is anya nchichiri ye bi na be koso a den se onipa na ni edene se obobra akonanim na wa start ade bi good no be end no sebe basa ase ne ye nyina ye hunu bie no na fom sa enti ye betima nchichiri na tumba se o kan se nya awurade se na o yisu adwene hunu se de nipa ne starting ne ba bi e ko no de nchichiri ye bi aye adwuma na ye kan nyina wi ane abusa wa question se ene eye dan eno mo na ya asofo mo hwehwe nkom se na nado beba oba oman ne ho beto ye na fo oba ye Satan bi atima wura mu bekyekere na nado no oman ne ntimi nya ahoto na sa nkofo kuro ye ntimi nsole ehon nkom hye ntimi ma enye Kumchacha na ahiti ni woka bia nso ye to abo no kuro ameka sa nkom hye ni bi na omo ntima nsole meka se ebia papa no nyame yi ne ma se o mebo adwuma na emu nkofo bi akohye sunsun wi aso ma ye se tia papa ntina ne ma ese na ye asofu be sole me mamu bi a 6 months mbonsi ye wura de be kasa papa ne be se sikwan bi no nyina ye di enso ye goto aba bie ma sa nkofo ya be se pie abekire se obe se anya biem onya biem ade kronti amana anya ye betimi akire eno na me dwene ho a na maka ne space se wo boa ndi sofu no de nkom cheba me se wo de na dwene oboa because nyame solati obi as ohina awurade ani di na chia wo yem fonso obe prompto ade ebe mu oyo na abo prompto bible no wo emphasis bebre wo mu a yede toto ho a obehunu se obi anyame he da solati ni bi ode na ni di na chi sa Shadrach Meshach Abednego bible se no mu ni mawurade enti eba so omko Nebukadnezar ahenie mu na omso omkoto ohoni no omso omnkoto na awurade ani da so di omaji because omagina ma awurade ne senti no eba se dom kogu oja amenam no bible say yede nkofo miensa de kogu mbo hene se mi hunu nkofo nan wo buonim ejanim edi adanse se ne awoselete wo na ni di omaji David oba adwaman na awurade asoma di fo se koka kire David se ne boni na frodumanim awurade na si ne hene nti na nani di naji afi adai ni enko ade awurade timi ka kire se nipa we ne benya na se nyame ne sarati nipa ni we wontimi mfa na ni naji e kire se omubo anya awurade na eka
enti se asema Kumchacha ken ofa wo hwa
eto asumu because what the experience and hunu se se de nipa ne start adwuma no ene ne ne eko no de bibi akoso
okay
dan ayesi ya adwuma yi yebom ye ne kama yebom ye ne afa dan abeto kwa hia me mfinu na misiwo se mu eti ahefo na ehwe ye ne betuma ka acho se mini ani de ba me hwe se de o start ne ne eko a obi aye ofa bibi wo he e wo program ne so se Kumchacha ba no se na awurade na yicha medwa ne pa eno na ya na me mpe no because nyame yicha ye hunu ena ne wa de wa adwene ka ye hunu eti hunu ne se de ade bia start na hu se de awie ye wo se ya o so hunu se bibia ye dai akoso nti na sa ade no akosie na no na mebuza se mo na mo ya spiritual nkofo a mo Ghana ha tambia mo no de FM station TV station eti mampanyin so oyo bia asoleba sofu bia asoleba ne mampanyin because betra kunya so da sofu nyina ase obobo asofu nyina di
eti ede no mo ya fa
de na mo ye sa asofu na mutimiti na wasofu bebrebe we nyina na nipa ba akopɛ a wodi o man so a munyina mo dɔ na mo hwɛ ne ho nkom ne ya kyekere no na mo antima ansa na de na na kyerɛ sɛ mo wotumi be na bukura no ade kronso ya me nya akwan kyekere no no saa ade kronso mo antima prompt no se papa wo be ya ade bi se wo ya awurade be yi nani ahintaw etiba me ya ba kyekere be nya wamamuo no nya fe enti ya ade ne ye ni nyina aso antima antibi etima tena ho ame ya kyekere se de akum jaja kan ya ade atuma ye no kore omo ye da ya asesofo ye be sere omo eno na ya na wi ase ya no mabegu Kristo anim se poto omo gu nanim ase because I didn't say conform because we do be achi na asem beba na ono asa ba betu nanum tuo se ya ye de ya kyekere na ne oto ye de conform because ancho no o kan cho se we ya so di dia ya busumjo mo yi o mani hinta no a chewa de kura ya so de ne so nipa na so be ja tu se me ye ne no nti no mo san firi wachi na ya so obi sum nyame ye ntimi ntia de kura wa ye ya so de ama awurade yi na ne hinta no yetimi ntia de a wa ye ntia be ma se be o man na o pese obu ni ye no ntimi mu ni ye eni yentimi so nche Satan kro kyekere na ne ho odin che nyame anu nti no nyame ntimi nsa ne papa ne mfirim emu ntimi nya adwuma ne nkore ne eno an se ya kyekere no ye nya ne den yesra wo mo eduru bre bi se ane ye hu omu Kristo sumu anka sofu bi asole mo ana mo kan se awurade se na na adu medi akonya baba bedi ba awurade kro na ase men kan kyere mo se na na adu aya ade bi se enti nyame be ye ni se ebi ne na no sofu be kan
ma ye bibia afa
what is them na fe ye hunu Kristo no ne ye nam no ye hunu so da so di hene o ka bie wom obeso ma David di hene osuma na ko Samuel wase ko David abusuam Jezi na abusuam ne ma no ba ko ho so osra ne ngoma me mesi ne hene osuma ne di fo ko ye sania ye beto aba mo amu pie be hye ngom se ye ono yi di fo no koduru ye na sabi ye fra ne ma ne ba ye fra ne ma ba David kura no osra so no obu se ye David a ordinary etua se nkane ne babra ne bi ena nkese fata no not know we say nyo no it is a rather select we na ni di na chia na mo am se nyame ya select afedi won say ni na chi bi nyame se nyame aboko
oja bremwe Mr. Bandana Mr. Biko
kumchacha wa ya de
oje de okan no
ya de me se me bibi etonseni ani a ewum se de fa aka no na da ya de ewum ni na se enipa na pe papa ya sem no na ye the whole word
including this if obi kura pe
na sem na ye the whole word na ye the whole Ghana na ye the whole word se papa no se wo gina platform so na se wo kasa wotum se wo ba wo be bibi so na no wo fa kasa no wonya ma ye kura ndan hwe nsem a na wo ka hwe nkran sha no de ma wo bi otimi fa nko ya doye abla wo wonya president otimi fa mu yesi abla no wonya president bisa wo hwe papa no nsem ka wo hwe ni timu po wo hwe aduna ne wo ntimu a wo ba so wo babo man Ghana na enipa no party no eyo mo si ya chekere papa ne dia e party na won chen ana ya papa resa
tana be ya ontimi nya
na ontimi na bibi na bia na nim begu ase so asema kum chacha kan yi me wala honde edem prodo abra e plan fan chen kra se wo bia enipa nyina emlewafo krapoma ni ya sa ni ya denchi ni ya ewu ni mani je mani je ni mu bida fe oba hwe ni mo di bu akwam oba ya no be free education ke die na ko be ya sa to so bi na ko be ye bibi papa na ese putogum hwegum ni nyina kwanse krom edi se papa no bie ne se wo no wo so wo free so na wo ba na ba to so a mu nyina mo ye o man ba na de ti da wo ko cheche no na wo gu nanim ase ana wo koku no na go gune ni mo ase
obi etimu no
so aya o mo nwie sa ne ma no se emle wo ye ni nkaso ana de wo yi dan enkanu mu wo ye nkwan na de na nu wi a wa me ade che o ba sa ye foforo e de ne nka wonu bi e be film sequence na film ko adenti na ye ni pada sani broni ya de a wo nwini se bia me ya bruwe so na me yes wo ye mu a wo mu nyina ko mu bia
na se krom ha de
wo de ne ma bia ye hwemrofu sa nkrofo mba ya America fo mtuto abai yeba na weko fefe wo se bi ni weko wo se bi wanya di wanya wo de na de na kan bote so no
na so ye
na wo di bu mai o mo ya wutimi fa nse obotom sika e ba wo asekese na ko fa ho e fi o fa ho asekese na ba wo dan ho opa dan yi 26 na tia no ne fa koto abian we wo be hye no be tamale ana enkan anana vrongo said the sika nantie no saa na nipa ya nantie ye twa mu hia saa besi faako ya wo munya botre ye zum prayer ho ye zum prayer ho na ye wo body ya wo body ya di fortie wo di tu nsu mu a edem 1000 years entimi na ne danche mu da na ya prayer ho akwa papa ni no de baaye hwe vigo bi o de baaye hwe ni je bi o de baaye madum ni ja madum papa ni
cha ya enoma bi because nka wo hwe se no start free SH se nka wo se nka after free SH no say we nso abetom bum na se say no money nyina
aye trudo wo de wa hwe de
da kwa mu se ya cheche
yes
and then was
if you say wo hwe papa no ne ye no a na wo ye no a wo be gira platform kwa no wo me mo kan bluff say speech kwa no a wo dim say na on to wo
enti dia na se
kumchacha kasa asem dia aso fufu ni nyina ntwanhia na akonfo mu krom ya nyina aso ntwanhia no mo fa ne memu akwa mu maye pese ye nyina de hye nye wonya ndi hye no nya pipi de hye wo ye de wo Ghana ye de hye se de nim bagura se de ye sere wo mo ye po mo chew
no money ntimi nye
no mo ntimi ntimi nya ne 4 years no hwe no mamu ne nim ase na o mo money do ye no a woni tim no o mo fa nto akwan ma no no mo ntimi nye
all right
se wada aha
sabe bebe
de ba de kokoba o nya ekro bofo ma ye se o mo ye so so bofo ye po mo chew se sa de kumja cha be kan dia so fu bi office o ji no di so ye papa bia e mo pa ma na ekufa
okay
na e kan wa kan ne ntina na account
all right and you know yeah custody then I will say we're streaming live on Facebook Kumawood TV. Subscribe to our channel so that you know whenever we drop any video you'll be part get it, and then trust me I know you will love watching our videos as well. Let me read a couple of messages on Facebook. I have this one from Eric. Eric Amando says, Ojamo fire. Then Light say, good morning, Diane. Thank you so much. This one from Emilia Frempoma. Emilia says, good morning, Obapa Diane. Please, I watched the program later yesterday. I want you to please tell Ojam that we love what he's doing. He must fire the leaders, but please without insult. And he should actually make it so short. Thank you to you too. It's Ojam fire leaders, no. The more fire or more, mini or more at them. Yes. George Akwesik Safo says, offer. Your friends are still looking for you in your former station, so do something about it. Rati Majesta is watching us live. Thank you so much. George Akwesik Safo says, Ojam, please remember today is Friday. Brooklyn, you're welcome. Before they say good morning, my sweet Diane. If I say good morning, sweet Bishop and Ojam. Happy Friday, thank you. Emilia came back to say that no one has done anything to Nanado. He said all those things because of his hunger for power. Okay, where is the brother Usu? As for my second story, everyone never told you and she be bring out me someone. And Ababa, your friend, said Sandra Abibu. Rebecca said on a Lowen, any she yet. Lowen said you and a champagne that. Only she ne. A man's about one, so no sabe can be the chest Sandra Abibu. Oh, your true for papa. One cannot create. Now, it's a second, me say, you know, when you know. Mother Roma, if you video number, stay with us on Koowaa.
That's how we see you.
Because I have been part of Kodon Castle Waste Management since 2003, 2013.
13 to 2016. There's a 3 years.
3 years in Yana
Better
listen, even the formation at that time, Nana, you formed Boss Nation. Right. Boss Nation, maybe office in started free. You started free. You Kumase. Opa Mumisa Kodon Castle, Mumisa Razak. The Mumisa Sherry Boss. They will tell you. It started from me, my office in Kumasi. What I say? Say, me try and try on. Me trust me, if I'm also lying, God should strike me. Say, Nenya Kojo girlfriend, Sandra baby. Come on, Charlie. You see, let's call it.
At that time, Amanda, at that time, no.
Yeah.
Not Sandra, and then win.
Oh, brother, they were more than one dream. They were more than one dream. But you see, the thing is that the reason why I own certain and maybe I could be a say the perception was that, and I'm also no Odejai. What I say. So I don't want that tag. So what I agree is that say, don't worry, right? Marry. What I say, but I'm in charge.
Hey.
Married, but I'm in charge.
But you're still not in charge, now.
Until some marriage in the bed, Muna, some don't consult the second wife or my or I will be obedient.
Daddy.
Good.
It
was spread under low key. What you say?
It
was all part of it.
Okay.
It's all part of it. Let me say ABC because when him time I couldn't cancel when the first wife no eja ware no. The alleged allegation out there was that say and I'm Sandra so.
That is what came.
And our
that is what came.
And listen, the truth too in this is that say Kojo paid attention more to Sandra than even the wife.
Pushing the industry.
Because the Kojo Council wants to push Sandra. And aside that, no, everywhere Kojo goes, you find Sandra there.
Handbag.
But I don't.
Me say. Everywhere Kojo goes, Sandra is there. Say producers, ne directors, say Kumase. The Kumawood industry will tell you how. Better. It would have been easier for all of us. This thing will actually cut that crap off the system right away.
Wow.
Which producer didn't know this?
No,
because on me fiasema.
Okay.
On famo
okay.
Then. But because I am speaking as a management, because I have been part of Kojon Council of Waste Management since 2003, 2013.
13 to 2016. There's a 3 years.
Amanziba. And I cannot. Now, offer. When you be champion, I am not a ferry so because I said you need the tea.
Diane said, we know, any question can and practice you be actually, but then intro, which you know, baby child.
And I make us say, I am not a ferry. So
I don't say you need to go be a witcher.
Okay.
I dear could be winning so near dear. One papa and passo, and let you be a diva, and who ya won't dinner, ya name my own person, but it's a dinner could be.
Oh, okay.
Only identity. Wouldn't bear be to our valley. And I got to be a Nicono, who didn't wait my Jeff for banning some ya. And now so when the baby abandon will be so I bet Jeffrey wins some. And I'm more done now 1 year wood in the internet. It was a baby, I woke up, a man dear to know was when I be pen, why have you transfer? And can you pen with a baby uncle so cry and you did in the call baby, but you nipper will be a witcher. And if you are said that you jump can, would you drum and I can't tell Guma, or yet the baby. And the messenger in your man said, near more din, ya, I see a moment near money I can home. If you are dancers, or they have one where did it. Nibia and Gangas or Muni no monko. A 2 year interview now kind of free, so I'm the Kojo or Barnett. It's simple. In your panel and an social media, air cost one. Now, I'm I didn't know why I could wear. Because Kojo are down for. And as I said, who can management team when you are more working. Okay. And no new Biatrim and a more jai. For sake of needing a near man quantity, or more a cop, a chum. This and that subject, a frona one would take your mammy because if you are condition fellows are the air trenders and we grow on pet. It is a good friend. I was said, never be our own come once and cry, Nina and Conny baby. Okay. God, who can say, I can say, because you know. Okay. Our secret near any moon and then Nina will put into your home. I bet to bomb. I bet check into a wally secret or move your money. Anyway, now about Franan could be in a twin himself, or there and Pran watching, the names were worried. And no one ever did not just the Casa done for. Sometimes name may be said, I am not done for. I dear your bastard will be Ginawachi, how many pound because there will be bitter said. Sandra can't send book or any more. And I could join to mean Cassana will be young or man of fine. But the idea Sandra Becca, say, and can you go say about have a pack of you, who first knew him so Johnny, not in the trim, Prendia. Get a private and goes on in Jumpa. ndika kodo no kra na boa ne kakra wo sa be cheche nsem mu no na wo be hawadamfo na nipa na wo so do na wo manage ntia be sere asem bi si wo no wadamfo bi ntem sa be ba bontia na ye onu mo mpese won kra na chi na ma no na ne wo kwa akọba kre ye sa na se wo ye nkomo bi se ya da bia de montuma go ne ba ye de e be ata bontia ndi se be fre kodo ayi interview amagma kura so be kan se e mo ka so ye de kura ye de secret wo so so de ya amagma na wo kan me ne nam no ono so ankofa yi bi wo baby won nya de ne na
so bi bi ba
sana tie ndi next time ya mo hunu a mbezi abufuo ni bakura mo nkọba na ntimi kan ye ma bi nche
say asa offer say ha no metia say ya me hu ne say as the way a girl na be reject say kojo in a way that's I will use the word reject because if I've dated you before why should I be shy to say medate or father
da no de ma mutai
anything I make us
obi okro no offended no for share no boss iPhone no metro iPhone amount na ono fa ye ebi a wale ni ta no ma break sa ya no da so na kuma mo de konto me ma sa fans so no atim braka obi tim ke ni di gra na me pese ma tin tu bon ba bi oba ye ni sa de e tan
asemo
ma de mutimi ye bibia bi
no grandpa o na so do na timi your time
ayira ma tan na abandu ya dai on pese obete ni sa yes nsi pe ono abu se ono na date no no a good person odo na na gonya mo be wa ba sa bufuo na asikitu abi na nko bi ni kuru be ja ka cha ne ma se wo se wo ye wudi ni nko de wo kura ko diska dulo na me je otime mbo ni di da na ne ma nyina ata ni kun so ono be ma no friend baby on so friend darling sa no mo
wakazemo
bibia timi si wi ase di nyama ka za magma no na wo so mo ano ye se ma se ko jo kura na nka ko defend na on so na no ye kura ye te yi ojam be ko jo baba ye ni huro ni se de it was one ne nada was one ne nko bi da na set so na hotel we ni aya ne se de ba so be kwa na ko fa we di bibi fofura be wura mu ne de san na kura ba
bibi fofura na o di be wura mu na se enye ha
amanze ba waka wi ase se obi sisi wo anyima ya
ese mi
waka
o mpemi
ade no wonka ade na amanze ba wonka wo ba be se woni mse nipa no woni nada ya obi anim se woni nada adre be ne ba utima betanze na wadam fo no baran fofo no e wode ye ho sandro be ba sini mu adwuma ni nyina no kojo na du kotwa na bi ko bia wade wokọ what does mama kanu e da wo si ni nkan ya wo si da kojo sika wo mu kojo bua wo sandra papa e ye de na sandra wo yi kojo ma ye ya kojo fa ho ko wale ye e ka wo no wale wo what does mama kanu wo sandra wo control kojo wo ka bi bia kojo tie kojo fa wo mo kojo ti say kolak na sha mo tuom asem bi no be ka che kojo nkansa no wonti aya dai ana kojo nkansa sebia so woja ya sebia so no betra no maka wo be yin boni ase won fla ne woda de na kojo yire susu ja no de kojo yire ja woja ni wie na yawo woja ni wie na yawo wo kojo ba bi ko keka se ena won fataw ena na nimu ohu ena na ho otan ena onya me so ba ma sandra wo kan ana na kana mun kan kore ai ya so sum bodi asum kodu eti se kodu kan se ho otan na se no ho nya fe no won fataw a kodu no na empa bon ya won kan nsem sandra gina bro papa sandra baby wodi kodu kan sa bro papa odidi wo da se ma mekai wa so hunsa no wo twa wo ko kan wo so hunsa ene na wunya wo ho tete ya ne wo da ko ya stay ya ene na kodu so wo da se ma kan aso fa ho emo bi ko fa ho ene ko ye di ene ko fa problem wa woni ni enu ntam etete ye ne kan wa se no so nyewe wo sa no watra no sa no ye de esa tra eno the same thing na wo gubo ni mase se ne ho tan se ne ho nya fo se de se de so wo wani wo frame kakra eno na peja wo
na odono I don't know Mr. Me bisa wo me pa macho obi ade ne taste de eno so efani mu hu me pewa sandra hu nsa wo so na me pewa me pewa
ahoma so woni mu papa
o tiketi a na sebio wodi pa ya trog na me se wo na sese no me do na bedu ha me nyama somdwe a me pewa
yo
obi antimi nsesa madwen ena me ameka say yes
Danya baby am come say say nipa hwe wo so ene wo ba no afa
ena making
be bia no wo fo ba fa wo so no wo de
oba bia ye be ma so
David
mami ka sam cheo
oja me hon de
problem wo mu kojo de ya nyina ya chechi no kojo so na ka tua na ba bi ode ye
me ba
reason in say wo start oba bi na no breye ena sabe kakra kojo ji we top be na mu nyina mo de mo sa na ba he de na yira sam na me ka na ne na wo mienu na wo hia kokko a e fe chen wo no waje wo no asiwa kokko no go hia ne e fe chen no onya
enye sa na tie
na era no ne na yiri ni ja
mami ka sam cheo nya sa na tie
okay
kojo kan say to kwan anna Delta Jones na ko da bi e ko da no adi aduro umko no nsa no di adegu nsani man de no me no ko fa no
gebe
na yire no
na samna na kojo ko
na kojo wa broche me ba David tie David na botre wo da ya tie kojo wo pene yire kojo no nta yire kojo adi ka fa bi ama no nya nwale ko ba ro ne wo yiro wo di ka fa ba wo fro ama sinifo no nkasa agi ni firi ne nsam ano sa mehuwe ano ka kyerem se sinifo no hwe ye etu otwe sa boy no ne wo de aduro gu ensam a ga no wo ne ko dae no wo twe boy ne pata no wo ne ko ju kasa ye close
okay
eti ko do ni wo no ana ga na ya na dwe se wo ne ko do yiri we ene na danfo apie ano mu pie ye ano ko pe ba bi tren wo mo no nsa ana ga ne di boy di aduro egu nsam ma no wo dae wapoto no eto ba no me ba ko de wa bloche no ana ga no ye de e fe ka chense sei na bolo ya mi o ga de kar kwache no ana gwa no ansa ka se wobwa ma fe duro bi egu ba bi ma na no na me kan dalet no sinti bu kan dalet me yire na ko kan dalet no na da e ma enu nie anu nie
ano no na wo mi ri do timi ja
anu ja ye
aba bio de ko ba dama de mo ba cha wo ti ase ono ye ne mpra de
anu de se anu de opani dia
untimi
oba bia ni fem
me ne wa wo
meba
wa ko be ma wo machi me ja wo se ko
oba bi
ko ba mpra de ono de bo dama de
ani oba bia so le sipa
ena ka se ofe e ho de
bebe bia ni so le sipa
obi be ka se eni but ofa bema bi timi fa ema mienu miensa oware mienu miensa enso sebi eyire no mo miensa nyina na ye den oba ko a ope ne pa
me
ajama na ko so plan wo
so enti se plan wo mu a ena make say this is not the time a e wo so ka say me ne won tena da
ne ntrada
me ne obi atena da jame me te me ne obi atena da
sa
nipa no anko ba bia but make a sebia me so enipa we die na me penasem
sadati
ye ya dwen senke ye betina forever and ever nenso anko wie sa na enso no we are not enemies
sadati
oh enti mesre
dan wo ba bi wo no mo a wo hwe ne su ne hwe ne ban a wo ko bo dwaman kura no a se be so ye kan ya wo betie
yes
if you don't cast anything akoko ntilo obo dan dama ya oka ya obetie wanu ho obetie ana obebu won so a wo pena ja no je wo kan de ono wo sitie ani we yes wo pena
na waka ba
ana me ka ba
aso obi o ope bibi o menya nyina ana wonyaw enti me to me bo na menya wa
yes wonyaw sa na brabote ye
de na dampo ana ne nampa ana utu
ya no no ne be sa de ma sa na no anu wo ntie ko do na sem boy no get no won fa ko do nya he wo mu ko do kasam che no mo ntie won fa ko do asem fa nya hu se ko do kasa tra e ba won fi no mo de nam no wo ginani anu ku ka bi e ka hu bi anu wo mu sa ne ma we wo ja ye na wo sandra so mra so a se be so ba takra wo jem wo so de wo hu mu a ma na so anu se wo so wa bale foforo aye yawo na sandra yesa yaw oh we jam empano
yaw kra on penny
yaw this one born papa yaw ko don kansa ne nkana se bi ti sandra no was sandra one sandra ni su de kura no en sandra esa koto ati ni sandra ni di no en sandra esa koto
akoto bia no
akoto fo de omunya kura akoto omunya
yasem
ati be wo bana dan ya na me no wo the same thing odidi me mankasa anam sa kwanya fufu
bana unnim so benya no
na mi se benya no
so de
ma bona to ho mo
de bakaka kaka
na ma bona to ho
pe bibia gina so
yes
because me mo bia me be ma bia ono o ware oba one ne ti fine o mo ti kama na fe problems en ne mu fa kwa ye famra be man de no se me fi no na wonche e wo na fe da ko se me de me fi o pe makumi mi nyaawo mi ma no nka se me jawo da but they say me sika se mo nyen ko tam papa fi kaka
yes
o so nim so oba ne be ka se ne papa fi e
onko sa de di oba
me nim se ho no menya no nanso se nke ho no okoya enye den so anka me mfa ne nkota me papa fi enye den a ka me kwa ko hide dan na eden akotenam nanso me nim so obetu ne se ene na busuafo aka se me enkotena waso fie da nenti hono ene menya no
sa be ma de no oba
tam papa fi a me papa wa wo me no si fi na me si kasem me nko oba na nko na busuafo ye ni sete ene minti me nka ene konya
wonya
kwatena on so sese no
wonya we are be man na no oba te wono we are be man na no oba te wono mo we bibi anka ho asem
no nim kan obefa
so
but abonti so for do mu nim o
hwe o mu nim
wo
ya dem jodi na mi su na me pa o na me
don't deny
one day what me bibi am
catch say me na snapping I am proud to say me le when I date but mum yen
why enta le why enta
no na I think
Christian we dey
mama come in next story bro we are keeping long on this story
Sanda bisa kwan fa so be di kojo nsem
but in all no
you want to so kan you want to so kan kre
obi su be yi obi bone
na na ba say wakase me date ofada ya date that said I am case me date ofada dey na me
na ofa
na ye
aha no fa be ka se wo to no nya me papada ofa de go nya me yes nyakupo twemeka
yes enti se
enti je woni ka je woni wo mu enwu akodon no ka je woni wo fa ho no ka obi your papa one day kura no say waboa
yeah it's true
what some le kwa hu ana say wa oja ka power pen kwa na nga
injom ne kwa nim say ne where they see nipa na da na say da obi no kana so wan kasa wo jejirije
le kwa ka some power pen pa le kwa ka some power pen bi kwa na nga aware
asemo but no am my feel proud of Sebi obi your crowd to me say na maame baby odakra nye so nyame timi fa ne ba so peja ne ba so peja wo wa was say o mama me feel proud mama ya Sebi o odakra say ne ba na timi kama say ya wo ye say adwuma we num nyam nsra enti wo ka ensere Sebi o bank manager ho na me say tell ni na me pa enu so so Sebi impredia lawyer ho na me say presenter ya no ni sika 500 Ghana na me pa enu so so o ha ni say I am proud say you are dating me my yes I guys am you can me read the messages back community be na fe ni yenko. This one says since Ejeko divorced his wife divorced his wife, you see things are not going well with him. Lewin will go through the same. Ubi na diwe about that's a Patricia Obe. Meno nya adwin part. I don't know catch you say no man pay from my part me so come back again. Why adwin no. Patricia came back to that Lewin don't actually treat the wife very well. How can your wife go out to have fun and leave you at home? It means the woman is not happy at home. If you are not happy at home, find the right way and talk about it, address it, call people, call family, and then you know best sister. Now I say when you're happy to be a man it's me by a man the to me be in Thai MP. So John says that Ojam's wife should be careful. Ojam is a wife, you know, and you're careful. Diana, I agree with you. Ojam say I believe you, Pa. Ojam, say the truth. We know you are the only one who actually will tell us what is going on. Diane, tell the girls to stop lying. And the Makache one more that Sandra thinks Kojo is not actually her class and not presentable. That is why she is lying. Sure, pa. On your presentable, dear. When it's one who's on your presentable. Manning your presentable. Manning your presentable. I didn't know what can say. Maza, send your pay Bearman. Manning yes, sir. Bearman say you on perfume. Buy perfume for him. I am pay more perfume. I am pay more slipper say. Pay more shake Gucci. Pay more or just say, you know. What's my man? I look at you.
Why you interview? Why you
look? To say oh, Baba, my co-founder now we are say you are second we see no. But I have shut away. Yeah, man, say we if I tell we are name mistake. Then you start buying some. Oh, almost dinner, but a woman star. But when we say H, my mamma near Maria, I say me couldn't pay man say you. Oh, and you know, once so bad, sir. Me pay more life, not say me couldn't now more life. I will make you more life. You understand? And see, my main fa. Me tell story embryo. A student be a or what I could care. Sorry, or of what say sector. And I what to me, I ballot balls in the idea. Just a music video and I am bra. No more than inside so creative and all that. And then again, a bit to me, I the abuano. Yes, she must stay with us, Uncle.
To my.
Oh, okay. It is a Otwabana. The more now what on na Enwa air count. It is a polling station. You name say. Nipa 2000 na ebeto abana after election or you be say nipa 2000 and I say nipa say na ebeto abana. So then the bar mutrim because I think say after everything no you to ya bada da organa he say you can yaba nti then the bar mutrim ma mo yes any there bi mo be yes ade
you per say you boa o man you per say bibia easy o man no nti na dey sad ya decide we e ba nyem pese e ba ha ye ho akọ han nkofo a o ma be kan papers na my pese bibia ye intentem e ma ntina ye we no
so when na be operate ama ye hunu senior na university e oh okay nti we no mo me fansa mo ballot box no mo ballot papers no okay so okay I think so person ye no okay nti ye na ye nhwe wow nti udu gumna no na enwa kan okay wow so into unya obaro paper na chere I think that wow so with some minutes
yes and one kasabetu
yes seconds so try one
okay like this and you put it inside
fantastic so we know a light in Kwani because extension ha a light in Kwana use
for trying but see any plan is the solar e be kan say even is a light ni okra na e betimi a work sir
nti mama use na here how amusia
a trying one so wa ben na wo don sa a share ase na ho sa trying one na we friend ho so we
okay tunya don sa share ase na oh wow so minutes bia we don't sabe she be beba and I say I don't know who the share why e di minutes bia no abekate
sure dey bi onsa na wo honom dia e wo honom dia sense na aba ama ba you onsa na ejai
so we know if so person use
students wonom e wo obuase sector and technical students and I want more etimi aye Veronica bucket na chese ballot balls ni se ni ye be council no ye be kan ni ade ade not mo se wono ma ayade na efe ojam wo ne sen
maya no ayade na moni age na hwan na eba na hwan so na eko ye wo krom ya ana paso kojo safo papa poko kojo safo
yeah
many friend ye why articulator why private why the and your car when why be why so and then I tell ye na yan fi papa no yan so na sene among for that transit say enya papa okokra you know pass in eba no abeshe so Ghana abamubuo wo ha papa abamubuo hwede nkra ye hwe ede pa na dan efesi sei enso be ye benya kwahwe kwa bi ya abu nkra ya be mama nkra we eja de we ye edi enya panyin bi enya minister bi enya ohini bi amen ka je okay ade we de mi si fatu amamo na maso waso ma ya egum bebrebe ni ananso ni aton na adikom ya bojo ama obi enya bi ayrai ato ye mpie komu niema emrofo niema no ene ani je ho ne kwa de ya jai abroche togo niema ntade ene ye hye togo omuyo nkone ye togo omuyo nkone Ghana togo ya omuyo nkone Ghana enso ne omubu togo niema ese Ghana niema obi ba ye chede ato osu ato utim se afeye ohwa se no de nsa ba se bang we de ba wa se se no ja ato obi eni wonu ma wo bo man Ghana ade be nkwa ye hwe se wo wa ye de rubber no ye to ba wo mu no wo ye machine no a e kan ututum na e kan na ade be ye simple kade ne che ye nkwa be se ye de mo gia ayi table so na se ye de mo gia adwam enipa dom mu ni e bon kwa we abaso mama fo mu say yes
na be
so cool no nkwa de koye no e ye nim di papa eno mo di aba na bon kwa na baso na you say yes nkwa ya de ne nya de mu bebrebe ya beto ba e fa ko ba bia mu ni mu say yes that is nkwa we ni wono mu a ya bobu di papa wo da se man akoyo ni koko ba yi tete kwahye no na ni koko ba yi koko wana de ba je tete kwahye oko ba bi ado sa wo fa ba ko kra me na yeso mu a ya babo eso dem se Ghana ye nim nyansanti ene wo mu ni koko no to ne yam wo ba ye ene wo ba to na te ye ene ye dua koko na ye mu say yes ene tete kwahye ene ni dinda ho ade na mo ye mo mu ye mu wo mo ye ho na benye 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 sa nyansan benye bai ai e kwana de no ma ye ne nyamisha wo mo nyamisha wo mo papa ye samba ni mfo no wo mo so ma ye na Ghana ye timi ko ye nim ne da bia yin dum so no na da bia dat ye bisi ade na fe se wo don sa sha ade na se a na e horo uja ya na ade na jai na wo de wa ne wo sa nim die be
very nice
very necessary you're very unnecessary
very necessary
yeah you're necessary
it's very nice
yeah very nice you're necessary
you have to support them
yeah oh no yes you support them
Ova
I'm support them
dan ye go school no dan ye shedam pebble bossa na jaman na ye live pa nti eno no nka bibi se no nka so bibi pebi betumi afri sete kaba wase mumra meshe maye omu aye bi eradi nshira omo se emma bunu maya asamre nkomo breki omo virgin e de ade aso omo pa ati nkensen na we mu de omo ntumi nyan sa ade adwen na Kristo di ama omo no e create bibia ama oman no na akra ni bia waka so se nya mehwehwe ne se asumdie beba ni ensa mfa sika nkofa ni papo problem se omekan akra ketu ahunu se oman na eboka ya bo obi ampi nyan sa me wo ah ohunu bibia so
over azemo
na aya na e ma bre ko se mesra akra na wo bo so mu dis ka ko mu mfa kan to kaso mu mfa nkra ni ntu kwan firi o man yi mu o betuma ko nya adwuma kase aye
mo mo ntina ha
na da ntra mo mo o kan sa kwa ma wo tia gu me besra o ba oh dan yan
papa for no nkona ba
so to kwan
dan wo do ga ja wo do ga
kase o ba be sifie o ba be bie company da che kura sika o benya no nto o ba be kreti adwuma no go sa me no kura sika o betuma support o bi sa boss go ta funya niam bi na fama na control kura kan ho wo tena hango an survival ye ntwema no na no no kura sika no de ye ntino ukan wan kan obetumi aye so man kura we tena so munya adwuma we na be better say o mbekwa ko start adua koko anantos Ghana ade a wo ya ye mane mmoka eye ntos because ye de a utwi mako obi adidi nto mbeto mako Kudia ombeto or dear go so your swana they go you mother kumase go nipa bedidi but I dear pay a creation beer seven bema Ghana no mine are unique kakra this all what talent to be this all your presenter who talent this to me your car sacred motor dear tumuda yet ya no go fiat man when you go for brand here with me yet but fine for sacred umia swana no was packet the walk ebesine your budget is social media what is your baby friend
Dabi
yet ya apostle go just afu ye ka bia na no ka de me got to dey say o mo sa gene task de say ni akoto ka fra betri ba
na twini Jonas ko ka
yare we ni atimu o mem na nkura fefe ya benya ta do metna me so ma me no mo mpa bosia so mu diem no mu ma sam kwati asema sukuu no kura mko mu nyi o mu mfirim adwempani mpanyimfo ni tirim dan yes ene say nka kura we mutimi ye we ko se sukuu ni mpanyimfo abodwa wo sukuu campus wo afra MC fo afra sambrama afra mpio na nko ma da bodja yan kra no mtimi ye ni o na de MP fo na mfi kra e be hu sa administrators am wo school headmaster fo mo agene nkra no enyi obi na koyo mo interview a anko wate
Dabi
dayan wo mo kra mpam kra ni ye yenyi wo mo nyina ntu kwan mesra busua ni wo sika wo mesra ade se na nyame nhire nipa kam ya ma twa mo tekiti na nka ho no mo ko no ye ye ba mo diga na fo atema mo mo ko ma ye ba mo sa de do mo ko mo so mo fa mefu ede ne yaji ni wiase yenya yase ye boa mo man ni mpuntu aba akura na oja na obeye
obeye
oja na obeye
Chiri Jonas ko kan we dey say sometimes no, he has much points in what
I was a bremu akura di people ke ka sha de na hu sa kan kuro for enie wey nka no so panyin be be na chance say yesrew aha de ma so
ye fa safe no mo hu ye he di
omunya ya omunya sɛ mo fa se fo na wa prochain sɛ
kana fa panifo fa ni to so
na business one ani so wa brochire bi o wosika o tie mi anopai business one ani so sa nkura 5 yi on fa ni sika meta mo nyina nkwa brochire sɛ o do nka ncha ba fo so adoto nkura no sa de be ma chance fo mo nyina akọ na start mo start ade na he company kasi abebe o de na brochire ho fa nkura no ye we ya we nka no ani sɛ nyansam ye from ni ya sa Ghana the politics here the we yan this one people the party cross 7 ye be ye o mo yi na bobo ho sa edi wotu man this ade to man na wuri di kwan this sai wotu man people na abedo ye be wie na kan wie this nyatere wo ya kwasia na be fa ballot box kra ya kra wie
sa
di gani nyina to betwa
sa
ya kra wie we watere we watan empo
nyane sɛ ka wie ya no a na ekodu ebedu no na di ebi ahye bi anim na ye ko ho obi atuma ye sɛ
na ke sɛ sebi no kra ye ni wa
ye ni kra ya ka kra akwa ma ya de pa
over
nkra na ya de o hwɛ awosia gumewuro
yeah aba se microphone
munyi ya mabusia ko ke besi do ma ye mpanyimfo bi pa
I'll go there meko ho
sɛ akwa do mayi wo mo sɛ akwa fa ye do mayi wo mo wo de hwɛ dan yan kɛsɛ ade no mo ye yɛnte ho baba biem yɛnte ho asɛm biem na ogugu ne kɛsɛ ya panifo mo ya abura mo se ko
Ghana nyansani o won kra ye ayini bi mo friends Veronica bucket ni
yes
yo so oni nyansa o Ghana akro ye sa Veronica bucket no wa wuchim ni sei no ahoro ni sei bi uwi anu asa akoso ya ye ni machi nkra be to sa ba ye say
ene mama ka said when him say sa Veronica bucket no se me bi si baby me ko bank me ko he na bi si ho a me nsa na me de be so mu na me de be chim be wie no me ho me nsa na me huhuru wie a na me sa de me nsa ne so bi na me de gu de bi chim ye no ansa na matum
what of Ghana we can pay for something
because this time na ye me sa so me nsa na me sa da
that's what
what's
and so we Ghana promote to say chinchina da yan tutu anu bi nanka we mo mati wa fa nsa ko sansa wa se yale wo nsa ho ya wa you say from so mu bi so mu no wa dan woni na akoboko mpanifo ntimi mo we hu da wuro ya ba ji ato apre on ba kele plan talent
azamo ye krom ha
ta kire ne wa ya de bo ha nkura no
ye krom ha
we o mu se nipa no ya de kram kre betime mi mi o mu na ba hu school da no mo se nsa ho ma so
you're right.
No
be crazy.
Ghana. Na ukaso fi profa mana. Uso na su. Na yan Ghana dey uso dey su.
We ni teacher better na because atade we am bia free teacher. Ndira na do munyi o muntre no. Atade we am free teacher o free wo young girl.
Yeah.
Una wo be. Timi promo ma.
Mentality.
Wo bi ko soro a no wo twe
na. Na be se dey si bo school ni di. Ben munyama dey. Yo san ka mukra no organize ye meeting ni kase. Travel to social media, me a woman. Nanky about and Granyamin Shamo.
I'm sure. My idea.
I'm my last story, sorry for baby, but before then, couple of messages on WhatsApp. This one's via some will be very fine. We say, good morning, mom. Oh, Ghana girls should actually be serious sometimes. Please, I'm Emmanuel Tewia Jr. from Takwa. Dating, that's Dami Cronin Patrol. I know wedding until the mommy coming in. Patronana, yeah, that's a baby. So, what do message? What about this one says, Diane, this gifts are too much. What's up? Nanado should actually help the girls offer. You are right. Ghana, our leaders kill dreams. Someone. This one also says that Ojam is right. Imagine what has actually happened to the 8 students who actually went to USA in 2017 to win the IRIS program. We didn't even hear anything about it again. Hello, this is Gucci from Dakumana. I'm really enjoying the show. Gucci, thank you for choosing us this morning. Lots of television stations, but you chose us, so we're so grateful. This one also says, good morning, Diana. I greet you all. We are proud of you students, but it's a pity you are from Ghana. Imam from Nim. Imam Kasa. My name is Kwesi from Kumasi and Logan. Sandra is totally a liar. Thank you so much, Kwesi, for message with the above. This one also says that good morning. Kojon cancer should actually forget everyone and focus or continue in life. From Marshall inside the drawer. Marshall, thank you. This one says the Ojam has really matured in his analysis delivery. Ojam fires nothing but the truth. Keep it up, Ojam. Yeah, that's it. That wants to say Ojam to say the wow. Hi, I'm say I'll be watching you live from Eastern Region. I came Akosenso. Please keep pushing up your good work. Thank you. This one says, hey, the message video what do catch me means me in Kalchana maybe into my skipper. Good morning to you all, please. I disagree with Pastor Kumchacha. Said presidents have been changed. Please, president is doing his best. Reverend Prophet Martin Yadawu Asep. This one also says that hi, Boniface, I'm watching you live at New Abirim. Boniface, thank you for dropping your message. Hi, Waisa, but Kumchacha is my name. Opposite. Anyway, my last story, Embro. Last story I bet you and I no pay up me per se me can once to me. You shape video no na yemra. Ye ba, ye be rem. Still as ever from
Kunkrabia Yason, ya opese woko Massachusetts Institute of Technology. E wa ba wetimi asua ade awie e wo Silicon Valley no. Ene ahyase e wa Achimota School. Mana Mines ene ye ohene ba kwa Kunkrabia e maame. Na bra wode ne ba no ekokoduru school mu hono mu. Ne esi wo nyina wode to yamane boni no anim.
It was their school, the day school prefect, the day students prefect, who approached us in a very warm and nice manner, told Oheneba, asked Oheneba whether, he was a day student or a brother, and he said he was a day student, and she said, okay, then you are going to be my school son, and told us that, Oheneba was welcomed, nobody was going to do anything to him, and that if he had any problem, he should just approach her. And that was very reassuring. I told him he never wants to do ICT or IT, and he said, well, there is no IT course, but then there's a line of programs that he can do. We earlier on, when Ohinba was home with all this situation going on, he did some online classes, and on consultation with some educationists per his career path, they had advice on certain courses that he should do. Unfortunately, when we came, I think they also have their own programs or choice of courses that they put together. Oheneba happened to have done 2 of them, elective maths and econs, but the rest, government and another subject, he had not, it's not part of what he has studied. Unfortunately, he have exams tomorrow. Yeah, so he reports today and tomorrow his exams. Yeah, so I told him, well, he haven't been home just wasting away. He's been studying, so I am hoping that he will be able to try his best.
Ne papa so e dia tuja say. They ohun ne say ne say. They ohun ne say ne ba no ani ajepa.
It was wonderful. I was, very elated because of the fact that we finally got to this point where he can go into the school that he wanted to go. I've been here from 5 minutes to 6. And when we got here and went to the administration hall, our building, as we were standing outside, we heard a very loud noise. And when we look around, there were so many students at the building, and they were just welcoming us and showing their appreciation. And that made me feel very good.
Right. For him, what body language did he show?
Oh, well, he's not a person that is
And cry. 1 more year Rastafarians, admission Achimota. I just say Achimota school. I say 1 more the rules and regulations no. I just say was some crown womuti. And sana etimi aba schooling. And cry to moon say a bushening in a Rasta and at one aye. Na man for council bebre wa Ghana train sene abasaka say Rasta de and can fahu. Obia a Rasta and our bonita and say Rastafarian na say when you admission doesn't matter. Moreover, omoye mema. In some no answer why could be a court in a court. You boo a seminal Emma crying say, hey, I think what a fool. Munya de moye no. Na munyo crano crano ain't me in Siade. Ain't ye Jim Corano, there was so more is Siade no. And one sem and I just say interviews and I abbe and they yabubi at their show. It just say, you boo man crying say, and crying it's me. Na omukushia omaji wabra womo eguso eshewon blocks. Papa
Diane,
what would you say about that?
You see the way the man expresses himself
very beautifully.
Look at her wife,
beautiful woman,
his wife too,
very beautiful.
The way she also express herself.
Yes,
there are some secular people, they can't even express themselves like this. We are all in Ghana here. How many times did you see police has arrested some people? Then Rasta man be more than secular people or sweat people. Every day we just swept for a secular. No Rasta man is a thief. He always face the
they
fact.
Live a righteous life, most of them.
But Ghana, we have some mentality here. It won't help. We have to stop that.
Okay.
When you go to the Bible, a certain man called Samson. Samson's mother and father was warned that they should not use scissor or blade.
Scissors.
Yes.
To cut his hair.
You see?
Yeah.
Because hair is very important. Bible will tell you that Oba, when you munyam, the face.
The what? The beauty of your face lies in your hair.
Yes.
Okay.
So, as for hair, dear, we don't joke with hair.
You don't cut hair anyhow.
You see?
That's how women, we always cherish our hair.
Our olden days.
Okay.
If you go and shave at a certain place, you have to bring all your hair home.
Yes. And then probably if you want to burn it, you burn it yourself.
You burn it.
Some people even bury it. Some people even bury their hair.
Yeah. Okay. But today, as for a computer system, you go and cut and you left it there. That's the reason why people are standing against us. They are destroying our works. One day you take us to do. You see that in Diane? So as for her, dear, we don't joke with it.
Okay.
It's time for you to stop all those nonsense.
So are you happy about the fact that court ruled in favor of the two Rastafarians that they can go to school with their Rasta?
I'm very, very happy.
Okay.
So it came to a time, if you are a Rasta man and you enter church, everybody started looking at you.
Yeah.
Like a sinner, you move. I don't know their mindset.
It happened to, I think, is it Kiddy or something? Kiddy was asked to go and cut his Rasta before, entering church, or he was actually seeking for, I think, a national service or something. I'm not too sure about the story, but I learned it happened to Kiddy.
We have a church in Ghana here. When you're entering that church, you have to, your father, that's your father church. Francisco, if you want to enter, you have to cut your hair before you enter. Why? Diane,
At the end of Yakumum is in our heart, not our head.
Okay.
You see, or head. So they have to change that attitude. Okay. If you're a singer and you're a Rasta, if you enter any church, then they begin to look
at you in some way.
As if you are armed robber. It's not good. In Ghana here, if you are Rasta, then you go to airport, they will find ways and means be as a chromophobia. What is that? If you want job and you enter any office
and you are carrying Rasta, they look at you, they will just
you not be accepted. Why? Why? If you have girlfriend, then first day you take you to his parent and you are Rasta, and then the other baby. Why?
We are our bonity. We are our history. It's terrible.
But send your camera. The beauty of a woman is
the hair.
It will be our never fatten any. The kind of catching it. So Diane,
I'm just keeping quiet to watch you because I know. Hey, please. Speak English because I would
definitely be careful. Be careful. Okay.
To get your turn.
I'm a dream hopper.
So Diane, it's not good at all. It's time for you to stop all those nonsense. When the person comes to you with Rasta, first see his heart.
Okay.
If you see his heart and he has a clear heart, you have to.
But let me chip in this. You know, every school or every church has its rules and regulations. You see. Every church or school. Yes. Yes.
Okay. What do you want to manage talent?
Let's go. So every school and every church has this, rules and regulations. So if you want to go to, let's say, a certain kind of church, or you attend a certain kind of church, they can tell you that in our church, you can't come with trousers. In our church, you can't actually, leave your hair like this. You have to cover your head with a scarf if you are a woman. You understand?
Then, but you know one thing.
Especially with the Pentecost and all that. Now I think things are flexible now. They have really come down with certain things because at first, when Pentecost was Pentecost and Charlie, you can't go to Pentecost church without covering your hair.
Which is wrong.
It is wrong. That's what I'm saying. They made things flexible. But at Chimota School, they have their regulations. They want to stand by
the regulation is there.
Okay.
But me myself, I didn't know the reason why you don't collect Rastafarians. You see that thing? So the person has to come for you to educate him. So for your education, we'll let him or her, cut the hair. You see what I mean? Yeah. I'm coming to your church. You said you don't bring trap. And you allow me to bring my trap. Then you start your teaching.
Okay.
Tell me that. That's the reason why they all don't wear it.
Sure.
So it will help me to also change my. But when you walk me out, what do I know the reason why you don't wear the distance?
Sure.
So Jimmy Nifra.
Come in there, let's go. Speak English.
This boy.
What would you say about this boy?
This boy, your mother, your father is care for it. Yes, care for it. You are very good, your father. You are very good, your mother. This boy, Rastafarian, is my favorite Rastafarians. I'm shocked Rastafarians. To me, I'm like it.
Okay.
Yeah. Rastafarians, I'm like it.
Okay.
You are very everyday pussy. Rastafarian everyday pussy. I'm feeling Rastafarian every day. I'm feelings.
Okay.
On a Ghana, you are very in church. You are sukus. You are very very poor. You are very poor.
Yes.
Ghana every day. Your mentality is you are fucking your mentality. Your mentality. You are fucking.
Yes.
How? Your small boy, very Rasta. I'm tired. I'm tired.
I'm tired. It's okay.
I'm
because
tired.
Of English,
my stomach. I'm tired.
So if I say speak Chidi, you
no. You're very my stomach.
So your stomach is paining you. So tired. That means you cannot continue with the English. Yes, brave.
I didn't go so. Every day your church is problem. Every day you are school, you are problem. The whole Ghana. You are. You know, I did a woman.
You are beating yourself. Don't knock your head.
Yeah,
I can hear.
I'm the sole Ghana. I am disappointed. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed.
You are disappointed.
Yeah.
But now you're happy because they've actually, admitted them.
Yeah. Okay. So, you are Ghana. You are teacher. You are problem. You are minister. You are problem. You are assemblyman. You are problem. Everywhere.
0202-684-61 or 62. Give me a call now. Me pass 3 or 4 calls. Now I draw the curtains down because the nebro phone. I'm queen. The leaders of Achimota schools is very ashamed. I think that's the opinion. I agree with you in a way, Mr. English teacher. Ujam, you do all. Every Friday is special day for Koowaa Show of Alumba Wisdom Speaking. Mami Diane. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Auntie Diane.
Passion, now what's to say?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Madam, I ain't you. Easy. Yeah, that's it. Hello, give me a call 0202-668-461 or 62. Hello, good morning. Pacho man, so kakrane and commodore for. Okay, Ojodo. Ojodo. Okay, Nana, you. Alright. Oh, okay. Obechao. Okay, hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Pacho, you.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. You. Pacho Kasa, you too. Yeah, that's it. I think so. Give me a call 0202-668-461 or 62. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, this one say, hey, oh, jam, no. This is from George Akwesisa who says, thanks for offer. You are. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. Okay, into.
Hello.
Boston Patrol, into, young call. Into. Bacho, say you can't communicate with us. And Bacho, Mama, last call and sorry, Brian, Sana, uncle. Last call, Maya, made the BC ever had this and say, oh, jam, no. Okay, so. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
it's a one can what's today, it's uncle. Okay.
And one of them is what you Ghana. A criminal young professor, or should I open this? In the best way, we can pay you for more young Fulano. No, I don't want to young for the amount, really. And more can say.
Okay.
Now, almost 20 million or mine Ghana. I'd rather tell you today.
All right. Yeah, that's the part of how you call.
Then you're going to go to mine. Nana akwasi busumpra one ne ho kan nchaso nkonkomo ma Anita hotel CEO Michiano afi ma che drama ni Nana bere ma se hwede ko bi job ni nua yeboa mo boy di man nchaso nkonkomo na afi so achia odifo na yeboa bra ko baba ko susu fra America be nchaso nkonkomo
Ojayenko.
Aye ko dia me ko usu bempa so. Papa usu bempa ba bia wo bia no. Me chia na ade ba ko wo mi se MPP na Kufuado. Em so be no. Na ko pa do ma mo se ajeche de de. Se bia so so ye nya mini pe de.
Won kwesane no.
Won sane no maye. Na wo mo mpan ma papa no.
Ye nyina e be bo.
Ye nyina why? Papa usu bempa ba bia wo bia.
All right.
Mpan ma papa no.
For your car, Mammy Chapom Sohima, na a fee and make a make it or boss as well as the marginal of Bema, Michelle, my feel for maybe free of our best from watch it. I stand call my edusa about center for Dr. Dawood na Alfino, with you phone and I boy, I was just from even and I say, and I'm a CJ fashion so come and Mura Kwame someone, one watch your bread and wash a major Arabia, it's also Fabia, Oka. Or pembi at the amount, all colors, all design, amount of YFA 0268505021 offering now of a job festival. One more look is so outstanding. The camera could be Frank Law and your game MCR, executive producer, Sam Davis. I don't do me a Jwada. Yeah, Papa. Yeah,
I don't do so, Mamma Numa. I put to be played the sun. What to ask me, Mamma?
Papa to be play I am. Get man no more.
Yes,
Who usually wanted to not consume him?
Blah, tell your baby, baby. Man, 2 points. My father was remember me see the fear of baby. Let me problem next to Bulla Mamma. Minister Gans, maybe there's some money to Jabula. What to I want to be play and so.
And to make okay, and to swear me cracking a boy. I'm off for a pretty for baby.